The first fish I caught almost dragged me in. It was probably smaller than I remember. I was maybe 4 or 5, but I've been hooked ever since. I love helping people find the right gear. It can make the biggest difference in helping them get out sooner, catch more fish, and have an overall better experience. So when I couldn't find a decent rod carrier, I knew I had to do something about it.
Dan showed me a rooftop rod carrier unlike anything that I had ever seen before. It had a level of panache that just didn't exist in today's market. And I thought to myself, what can we do to make this better?
Over the next 3 years, we worked closely with a group of engineers to design something that was strong, fast, easy to use, secure, and can accommodate 95% of all fishing methods, all while looking damn good.
After countless prototypes and testing, we are proud to introduce the Talos Altair, the world's most universal rooftop rod carrier.
Altair can hold a fully rigged rod while keeping everything protected, letting you hit the water as soon as you get there. And when you're done, you don't have to de-rig. Just throw it back in, and you can deal with it when you get back home or to your next fishing hole.
With its expandable design, it can fit rods up to 12 feet in length and reels up to 6.5 inches in diameter. And this is suitable for fly fishing, bait casters, spin casters, saltwater fishing. Whatever your style of fishing, it suits your needs. It's also stackable, which means you can bring as many or as few as you would like.
We use the best materials and a sleek, minimalist design to make sure Altair enhances the look of your vehicle. But it's not just looks. Altair is tough as nails. Powder-coated aluminum tubes and a glass-infused nylon reel box helps keep your rod secure no matter the terrain. The entire interior is lined with a soft EVA foam to cushion your rod, prevent abrasion, movement, and wear in transit. We even added a lock to keep your rod safe when you're on the road.
Fishing is all about one thing, getting out there and catching fish. So with the Altair rod carrier, you spend less time rigging and more time fishing.
Our mission is to get the right tools in your hands so you can get on the water sooner and for longer. Back our campaign today and get yourself the gear you deserve. Altair, arrive ready.